Yep, she just opened herself a bag of Chex Mix. With 60% less fat than regular potato chips, she's got a lot to be happy about.
Excuse me, what sock is wider?
Oh, that one. Oh, the Clorox one.
The difference is obvious. For the whitest whites, use detergent, plus the advanced whitening formula of Clorox bleach.
With Cyber Pocket from Vtech, your child can learn anytime, anywhere. It's on-the-go gaming that now goes online. Thanks to V-Link, your child can track his scores and play bonus games on our safe, secure site. Cyber Pocket with V-Link from Vtech, where kids have the power.
I'm going to K-Mart to go Christmas shopping.
Wait, Christmas? Didn't we just carve pumpkins?
They have layaway.
Genius.
Exclusive K-Mart layaway. Get the hottest gifts on your list now. Pay a little each week and pick them up in the nick of time. They're smart, and there's K-Mart Smart.
If you looked at my Subaru Outback, you might think I didn't love it. But the truth is, I consider the dirt and trail dust and mud that gets splattered on it kind of a badge of honor. Who am I to wash all that away? I just let the universe take care of it.
Live big. Love an Outback. Love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
Hi, I have an oven-baked sandwich for Steve.
Why would I order a Domino's oven-baked sandwich? I love Submart.
Just leave it over there.
Introducing Domino's oven-baked sandwiches. You got 4 savory flavors for just $4.99 each. Domino's. You got 30 minutes.
Love is complicated. She loves him. He loves her. He wants her to love them. Living with the Wolfman premieres tomorrow at 10, only on Animal Planet.
I figured I couldn't afford more than the mid-grade carpet, but I called Empire, and I was able to upgrade the carpet for a lot less than I expected.
Empire offers quality carpet sold at the lowest price, guaranteed. Shop at home. We install next day. Get the lowest price, guaranteed. Plus no payments till 2010.
I'm a customer for life. Don't shop around. Call Empire first.
800-588-2300
Today.
There's never been a better time to switch and save with Hyundai. Switch your MPG from 14 to 33 and you'll save up to $200 a month just in gas. Like the 33 MPG Hyundai Accent and Elantra. Switch to the 09 Sonata and save with better gas mileage than Accord and Camry. Switch to America's best warranty and save with 10-year, 100,000-mile protection. Switch right now at your Western Washington Hyundai dealers and save up to $2,000 cash back on Hyundai sedans. Credit is available through Hyundai Motor Finance Company.
The Japanese have killed thousands of whales. It's up to us to stop them.
Whale Wars premieres Friday, November 7th at 9 on Animal Planet.
He's cool. He's charming. He's naked. He's Pictionary Man. Read the word or phrase on his foot, then draw and act out the clues to help your team guess the answer. Extra props can turn anyone into an artist.
Island?
Yeah. You've got 30 seconds.
Hawaii. Hooligans.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then it's on to the next team.
Ice cubes.
Yeah.
Catch cold. Catch a cold? Yes.
There are over 2,000 clues and endless good times. It's Pictionary Man game.
It's time for everyone to wake up and seize power. The power of over 7,000 movements a minute. The power to clean tooth by tooth and reduce up to twice as much plaque as a regular manual brush. The power to demand a dentist-like smooth, clean feeling every day. Power to the people. Oral-B.
Hi, welcome to Progressive.com. How can I help you? Well, I haven't shopped for car insurance in a while. And you're worried that you've been paying too much, right? Yeah. So how can I know I'm getting a good deal? We can compare your Progressive Direct rate with other top companies. Wow. Seriously? Yeah. Look at the deal we just got him. That's a new pair of shoes. Yeah, or a big tricked out name tag.
Making sure you get a great deal. Now that's Progressive. Call or click today.
This is my accounting system. Unpaid invoices on the purple ones. Still evolving.
Our sales figures, they're all right here.
I design my own spreadsheets. Nice, right? No?
There's an easier way to manage your business. With Intuit QuickBooks software, you can easily create invoices, track sales, and manage payroll all in one place. Intuit QuickBooks. Get back to business. Find out more at QuickBooks.com.
We got a vehicle that's not stopping right now. All right, they're right over there. Can you see them over there? All right, he crashed. Driver, get him! Ow! Boy, get him! Get him, boy! Get him! Let me see your hands! Get your hand behind your back! Do not fight the dog! Good boy, hold!
Walking into your home should never get old, and it doesn't have to be. If you want a unique item for your kitchen or bath, bedroom or living room, Housewares has a collection of personal tastes that you can take into your home without emptying your wallet. It's hard to be creative with your home interiors. So much of what we see today is sort of dull and plain. We've been in Edmonds for over 9 years. If you want to add life to your home, you'll find it in Housewares.
Plugging into FiOS over here. Let the fiber optic light burst forth.
Excuse me?
Fiber optic light. Neighbor, you have got to get it.
Actually, I get fast internet, HD on demand, and reliable phone service, all from Comcast on their fiber optic network.
It's a network of light?
A network of more light. It's bigger.
Stop digging!
Comcast, America's leading fiber optic network for TV, phone, and internet.
These stories may seem hard to swallow.
It's an excellent protein, just like chicken, beef, or pork.
They are weird.
I kind of looked over. I didn't know what it was.
They are true.
And it just keep on coming, and there's just no stopping them. It's just pretty sick.
And they are freaky.
What's extreme? We don't know anymore.
I'm never going to stop my transformation. I'm going to continue to try to get done what I can get done.
Weird, true, and freaky. All new tomorrow night at 8. Only on Animal Planet.
In England, Victoria Stillwell cleaned up faulty dog owners.
Oh, we like that, don't we?
And now she's coming to America, and her job just got supersized.
That has made me very angry.
With wilder dogs.
Don't sniff people's crotches.
And their battered American owners.
Samson, no.
Victoria's unleashed in the USA.
Maybe I am a little nuts.
And it's Me or the Dog. All new, Saturday night at 9. Only on Animal Planet.
With stuffed crust pizza, you can't go straight for all that cheese in there.
Right.
It's America's favorite stuffed crust pizza with loads of melty cheese stuffed inside. Specially priced at just $11.99. America's favorite pizza. Pizza Hut.
Beep! Hey, Greg's phone. Greg doesn't have AT&T, so we got 0 bars here in Brussels. So thanks for the call about hopping on the train and heading to Paris for the weekend. Looks like you won't be hearing from us. Instead, we're gonna hang at this hostel with the Techno twins, Slot and Wiener.
For the best coverage, switch to AT&T. More bars in more places. Get our exclusive LG Shine for only $49.99 and get one free.
Doctors Foster and Smith now seen on Animal Planet. Foster and Smith are the foremost authorities on your furry, feathery, or fishy friends and have products for them all. Dogs, cats, birds, fish, horses, and more. Compare our everyday low prices and order online at fosterandsmith.com or call 1-800-442-PETS for a catalog now.
Here at this modern-day watering hole, this urban Serengeti, it's man meets reptile.
So, Lucy, what are you doing?
Just a little online shopping.
You should check out Geico.com, get a free rate quote. If you like what you see, you can buy it online, over the phone, or at your local Geico office.
Cool.
Remarkable. Oh, no. Did you hear something?
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Kids are hungry after school. That's why I always have Totino's pizza rolls. Big pizza taste in a bite-sized roll. Kids can't resist their delicious pizza flavor. Totino's pizza rolls.
the pizza way to snack.
This is a strawberry Pop-Tart, and this is the warm, fresh-baked taste of a strawberry toaster strudel. See the difference? Pillsbury Toaster Strudel, the one kids want to eat.
Glad ForceFlex trash bags are so strong. One bag is all you need to pick up the pieces from even your biggest disasters.
Where do you want the piano?
For stretchable strength, get Glad ForceFlex.
The Hyundai Santa Fe has impressive features, like room for 7, available all-wheel drive, and America's best warranty. But the most impressive feature of all? 24 miles per gallon. After all, what good is a crossover utility vehicle if you can't afford to drive it?
Right now, get up to $3,500 cash back on the fuel-efficient 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe.
Kids always take too much. Especially when it comes to bath tissue. But with Charmin Ultra Soft, our softest ever, you can use less because Charmin Ultra Soft is more absorbent than the leading value brand, so you don't have to keep pulling. Less is even more. Our softest for sure. Charmin Ultra Soft. Look for it in the blue package.
You know, during our Time to Recline sale, you could get some incredible deals. You recline much?
Sure, all the time.
Excuse me. That's my dog.
I've been a fool.
The Time to Recline sale. Come in for incredible savings and enter to win the Time to Recline sweepstakes. Comfort, it's what we do. Lazy Boy.
Do we have to go?
Here, hold this.
What are you wearing? We're going car shopping.
Yeah, I got snacks and everything. You know, car shopping can take all day.
He's scaring me. I know, honey.
Come on, let's go.
Shop right from your TV with Auto Classifieds Channel 889. From the comfort of home, search hundreds of vehicle listings updated weekly from local dealers. No need to commute. Just tune into Auto Classifieds Channel 889. Available only on demand.
In this economy, cutting costs is top of the list for small businesses. Switching to Comcast is the cut that actually gets you more. Unlimited nationwide calling, really fast internet, Microsoft Outlook email, tools that keep your business competitive affordably. Call 866-664-0777 and get phone and internet for just $99, an incredible savings. Cut costs, not corners. Switch to Comcast Business Class.
We just have a passion. Did you see that?
Don't think like a human. Think like a wolf.
Stick with me and just trust me.
The Japanese have killed thousands of whales. It's up to us to stop them.
Whale Wars premieres Friday, November 7th at 9 on Animal Planet.
This guy just opened himself a bag of Chex Mix. With 60% less fat than regular potato chips, he's got a lot to be happy about.
Meet Molly. She can't wait to go to school. That's why Fisher-Price designed the new Computer Cool School. It easily turns your computer into a classroom. With 5 learning centers, there's reading,
The kind king.
writing,
Write the letter E.
math,
7.
even an arts center.
Whoa.
Lots of additional software too, all within close proximity to the cafeteria. The new Computer Cool School, only from Fisher-Price.
Play, laugh, grow. New York City, here we come, baby!
Aren't these supposed to be attached to my seat?
Lunch! They were heading home, but they landed in Africa.
How is that even possible?
On November 7th.
Was there maybe like a manager we could talk to?
From the creators of Shrek and Kung Fu Panda.
Looks impressive. Will it fly?
Yes, if we fold it here and here. Nice. DreamWorks Madagascar 2, rated PG.
Hi, I have an oven-baked sandwich for Steve.
Why would I order a Domino's oven-baked sandwich? I love Submart.
Just leave it over there.
Introducing Domino's oven-baked sandwiches. You got 4 savory flavors for just $4.99 each. Domino's. You got 30 minutes.
Excuse me, what sock is whiter?
Oh, that one. Definitely the one on the right.
Yeah. Are you?
Seriously, the Clorox one.
Oh, okay.
The difference is obvious. For the whitest whites, use detergent, plus the advanced whitening formula of Clorox bleach.
When we called Empire for a flooring estimate, we didn't plan on purchasing that day. But we got a deal we couldn't pass up.
Empire offers brand name flooring sold at the lowest price, guaranteed. Choose from an incredible selection right at home. And we install next day. Get the lowest price, guaranteed. Plus no payments till 2010.
They did an excellent job. We will definitely use Empire again.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.